Hi everyone! Last year I experienced some troubles with my cruise control on my Skoda Octavia. The problem was that I either couldn't start the cruise control or it simply stopped working during the driving. Both was very annoying. A simple restart of the car has helped, but only for some time. It became pretty obvious that there was some problem with electronics of the car responsible for managing cruise control system. Most of the time the problem is caused by the lever that is controlling the cruise control. The problem is, to take it apart, you should dismount the steering wheel. In this video, I will show you how the lever can be taken apart using a plastic card and how easy it is, to encourage all of you to try to do so, since I wasn't able to find a video showing this easy method. What you need to do is to put a plastic card on the back side of the lever. I use two cards and put it one next to each other and pull until it clicks. Then you should be able to take apart the lever. And that's it really. Remember, the top wire has green color, the bottom one has red color. It's easy to swap them and it would not work. Now you can unplug the device and take it somewhere where you will clean it. To unscrew the PCB you need Torx T9 screwdriver. These two parts are the ones that needed cleaning. This is how the slider works. You simply need to clean these two parts as well as the connector, and most of the time it will help. When you're finished, put it back together this way. Make sure the slider works. Then you need to move these white plastic spacers and make room for the yellow buttons. These ones. Put it back together. Make sure that the slider is able to slide and put the screws back. Okay, all's working and we can put it back to the car. Remember, the green wire is on the top and the red one is on the bottom. Gently put it all back to its place. Make sure all the wires are inside the shell. And gently click it back. Lastly, make sure it all works, and it's time for a test drive. I hope this video has shown you that the process is rather simple and it can be done even if you're not a professional. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.